my god. Hey, dude. Who is it this time? Wow. Prank calls. I feel like we're having a nice day, don't you think? Let's check out the local news. Oh wait, actually, let's rewind. Oh wait, hold on. How are we should rewind? Why no? Let's rewind the day. Who is it this time? Just prank calls.